Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram 3-line option not showing on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your Instagram app 3 lines option not showing, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. First of all, just close all your Instagram app from the background. Just close this Instagram app from your background and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, just long press on your Instagram app, then tap on app info. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, you have to just tap on clear storage, because if you tap on clear storage, your Instagram account will be logged out. So if you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on clear cache. Then go back and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then last and final method is you have to update your Instagram app. Just open the Play Store, then type your Instagram. Tap on the Instagram, then if there is any update pending, just update it. After updating, restart your mobile and hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram 3 lines option not showing on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.